Dummy. Bitch, I'm back, I could never miss a beat. I would never miss a nigga, I cut off, he missing me. Like, bitch, are you kidding me? I'm a player, this is me. We not locking lips, but he still kissing ass and kissing feet. Oh God, I love my nigga and I think he love me. I love my nigga and I think he love me. I love the head and I think it's lovely. Ayy, and he a slut, so he could never judge me.
Slow jam.
You used to come, keep me company. Tell me you love me and trust me. Oh, and it took a while to trust me. Girl, I had to work for it. Still, you don't judge me. I love the way you touch me.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute, that's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. yes, of course. I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. It won't ever get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. Yo, I was counting up in him on a private flight. Yo, all this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Yeah, even blow like a whistle, lie to officials. I drip it down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill? I caught your line, tell me and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit, I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Been my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. We been them niggas ever since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while she taught me might give her concussions. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffin'. Bring my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. Yeah, baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spending still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I been living shady. I been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'ma step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air jerks, I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me hands at 18, ain't know what to do. I fuck a sack, I bet a jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with a teller, I don't know Cupid. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do it. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the club, reload the club, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't cam. Go take a call, I cop, RP a couple lambs. That boy is not a kingpin, he sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham. Sus.
That you know I'm coming. Lace front fucked up, you should've wore your bunny. Run it from me, run it from me, run it from me, run it from me.
Drop the low, I'm coming.
is running from me, girl. It's truly a blessing. You can make all the mess that you want, and that's all that I want. Is for you to run, running like a faucet.
Whoa,
Yeah. Where you going?
Working even on your days off. Yeah. Body right, everything soft. Yeah. 2 shots, she don't really talk. Business card, show 'em you the boss. We could take a jet to see the world. I know you a small city girl. 21. I know niggas in your DM. She don't wanna be a BM. Who them niggas shit? We them. No cap, kizzy or brim. Late night, ripping off a skims. Wintertime, I got on my Timbs. Make a baby, listening to Tim's. 21. These bitches call me Sugar Ray. I might bob a nigga on play. Call her Uber, she done overstayed. Every hour, new one on the way. Pop shit, I'm straight up out the A. Hot shit, come up out the K. My little brother got more mass than Ye. I wanna feel your stomach. Grab the sheets, I wanna see you running. Oh God. Running from me. Running. Running from me. Running. Drop your dot, you know I'm coming. Lace front fucked up, you should've wore your bunny. Running from me. Running. 21. Running from me. Yeah, running.
Drop the low, I'm coming. I already know it's running from me, girl. It's truly a blessing. You can make all the mess that you want.
Oh God.
And that's all that I want. It's for you to run.
Yeah.
Running like a faucet. Fuck about where you going.
Oh God.
When I come around, you know.
Yeah, you know.
Mwah. No balls.